Welcome to TechIQ. Today we will install PRTG setup into our system. Open setup folder. Select your language and press OK. I accept the agreement. Here enter your email ID and click on next button. Press next button and select let me skip this. I want to use freeware edition limited 10 sensor. Press next. Click on default login and press login. Now we have to skip Guru and click on review results. You have to add a device. Here you enter your device name. Here you enter your device IP. After press continue, you have to add sensor. Select bandwidth and traffic and press SNMP traffic for SNMP monitoring. Preparing sensor settings. Now select all connected interface as well as select all disconnected interface. Select all additional channels for traffic monitoring. If you change your scanning interval, then you have to change from here. Go to dashboard. All sensors come after few minutes. Currently we have not cracked the PRTG. Now we will going to crack the PRTG. Open Task Manager. Go to your services. Open services and select two PRTG services from here. We have to disable both services first. PRTG core services and PRTG probe services, both we have to stop. Both services stop. After you have to copy your PRTG crack file. Here you copy 3 files. Go to drive C. Open program files. Open PRTG Network Monitor and paste here. Replace the file. Now you have to start your services by sequence. Start PRTG core services. After start probe services. Both services in running states. Then you have to reopen your program and checked all sensors are in green. After correct your PRTG setup, all sensors coming properly with SNMP traffic. Hope you all understood about how to use PRTG Network Monitoring Tool in your network. You can open PRTG Enterprise Console for monitoring. Select your switch and open live graph for any interfaces of your networking devices. Here you can see total traffic, traffic in and traffic out. Hope you all understood how to install and configure PRTG Network Monitoring Tool. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe TechIQ.